What is the parole-in-place policy for family members of Marines? Understanding the complexities of immigration policies can be challenging, especially when it comes to military families. The parole-in-place policy is a significant aspect of immigration relief for family members of individuals serving in the United States Marine Corps and other branches of the military. This policy allows certain family members of military personnel to remain in the United States without the fear of deportation, even if they entered the country unlawfully. The primary goal of the parole-in-place policy is to provide support and protection to the families of service members. It is particularly beneficial for spouses, children, and parents of active duty Marines. Under this policy, eligible family members can apply for parole status, which grants them temporary permission to stay in the United States. This status does not lead to a permanent residency or citizenship but allows individuals to live without the constant worry of removal from the country. To qualify for the parole-in-place policy, the service member must be on active duty or a veteran of the United States Armed Forces. The family member must demonstrate that their presence in the United States is necessary for the service member's well-being. This could include emotional support or assistance with daily responsibilities, especially if the service member is deployed or facing challenges related to their military service. The application process for parole-in-place involves submitting a request to the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. This request typically includes documentation proving the family relationship, evidence of the service member's military status, and any supporting materials that highlight the need for the family member to remain in the United States. It is important to note that parole-in-place does not provide a pathway to permanent residency or citizenship. However, it can be a crucial first step for family members who may later pursue other immigration options. The policy reflects the commitment of the United States to support its military families, acknowledging the sacrifices they make and the unique challenges they face. In summary, the parole-in-place policy is a vital resource for family members of Marines, offering temporary relief from immigration concerns while recognizing the importance of family support in the military community.